So it seems that a bunch of people have been having problems with the XD Plus and connecting it to their TV using HDMI out. The problem comes with 4K TVs. I ran into the problem myself, and so I made this video to show you how I fix the problem. There are other solutions, and some of them require switches or whatever, but they are more expensive, and this was a quick, easy fix for me. I was curious to see if the old XD had any problems, and I connected that, and apparently the old XD doesn't have any problems connecting to a 4K TV. Now with the XD Plus, I've tried changing the settings on the XD Plus and changing the settings on the TV and couldn't get it to work. I still got a black screen. Now I was able to attach an HDMI splitter and was able to get picture on the TV but no sound, no matter what settings. Now you can call me cheap or you can call me thrifty, but I always try to find the cheapest solution to my problem. This is also to help you guys so that people aren't spending all kinds of money. I went online and I found this little adapter. It's very cheap. You can buy it at Aliexpress, and it seemed to do the trick.